Simply Fatima. I'm so excited that you're here for another video. In today's video, I am doing a Fashionphile unboxing. If you want to see what I will be unboxing, please stay tuned. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury handbags. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and smash that subscription button. Also, give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you'll never miss an upload from me. So if you're ready to see what I'm going to unbox from Fashionphile, let's get right into today's video. So, like I mentioned in the intro today, I will be doing a Fashionphile unboxing. And like I say in all my other videos, this is really exciting. This bag in particular is really exciting for me because it reminded me of why I enjoy collecting handbags. And it just gave me that sense of hope and made sure why I kind of want a more curated collection. I know I had posted a video at the beginning of this year or the end of last year. I just know it was like December, January when I filmed and posted this video onto my channel where I sold a lot of my items that I had. I sold a lot of my pieces just because I found myself buying items that were trendy or because I didn't want to have that fear of missing out. When I started out getting Louis Vuitton items, there were pieces that I knew I wanted to have in my collection, like time capsule pieces, things that could grow with me, and things that I just felt, to me, looked and felt like artwork. And then at some point in me starting my YouTube channel, I've really gotten into vintage handbags just because of the quality of Louis Vuitton items. Now it's just not the same as how they were in the late 90s, early 2000s, early 90s, those sort of years. And so if you've been on my channel or if you've been a long-time subscriber of mine, you know that I've talked in a lot of my videos of how I'm getting into more vintage bags for the quality of them and the history behind them and the craftsmanship behind them. And then so recently I was on Fashionphile's website and I ordered a vintage piece. This piece is from the 1993 Louis Vuitton collection at that time, so that's really exciting. This bag is a little older than me, but not by much, so that's really fun. And then just knowing the history and the story and the craftsmanship behind this bag, it just reminded me again like why collecting pieces is considered artwork at some point. They hold value, they have a good story behind them, and pieces like the piece that I'm going to show today, people who study fashion really cherish items like this because this is kind of like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that these bags will come around. So anyway, let's get into it. I've already kind of like opened up the box. I've kind of inspected the bag. So this is not a true unboxing. It's new to you all, or it's true to you all, but not true to me, if that makes sense. So I said this was a Fashionphile unboxing. So this is the Fashionphile box. If you've never seen one, I have plenty of these unboxings on my channel. You know, it's the Fashionphile box and your item is wrapped in this white paper with a sticker on it, just basically saying used is the new. And so the box comes with confetti and it comes with a file, a fingernail filer. And I've read the fingernail filer before on my channels with other unboxings, but I'll read it this time if you're new. It just says Fashionphile on the file, and then it says, I like my money where I can see it, hanging in my closet. So I don't know if it's gonna focus, but that's basically what it says. And then that's the contents of the box. And it comes with the annoying confetti. That's, if it gets everywhere, it gets everywhere. But anyway, let's get right into the unboxing. So Fashionphile did provide me with a dust bag. This bag did not come with a dust bag or any of its original boxing. And I know this item is 100% authentic, and I'm really excited. So 3, 2, and 1. So I purchased from Fashionphile is the Louis Vuitton HL Speedy, which I am really obsessed with. This bag has a really dark patina. I don't really have to worry about the vachetta anymore, pretty much. But I know I want to keep this item, so I'm just gonna pop this tag off. So this is the Louis Vuitton HL Speedy. This is the smallest size Speedy that you can purchase. How I ended up getting this little beauty is I was on YouTube on a Friday night, and just hearing the history behind this bag and just understanding the craftsmanship behind this bag really made me appreciate this HL Speedy. The back of my bag, the original HL Speedy doesn't have these two Louis Vuitton logos right here. It only has one, and it's like right in the middle here. Any of the versions of the HL Speedy that came after the original one, or this is the one that came in the 1990s. So there have been some remakes, and this is the remake of the original version. Also, another remake on the original HL Speedy, you can tell the difference in the zipper. The zipper has it's from a different company, and the company's name is still actually on the zipper, and the zipper pull, the leather zipper tab, is something that was new on the remake versions of this HL Speedy. It was also really cool to learn, which I mean it's pretty obvious, but the HL Speedy, because how tiny it is, it was actually created for children, so that they can carry their crayons, their markers, anything that they wanted to carry, some toys in the bag. So little children, this was really created for them, which I thought is a really cool touch. I do know that when I was looking for this bag, I wanted there to be the leather pull tab on it. I know I wanted one with a nice patina to it, with the vachetta kind of looking more on the really heavily used side. This is the zipper pull, or meant the zipper track. I don't know why my camera, the zipper track right here. The hardware is kind of tarnished, but that's okay because this is a bag from 1993. When you open up this beauty, it's one main compartment, and then it has the Louis Vuitton Paris made in France tab in the back. I've watched several videos of what can fit inside of this handbag. A lot of things can fit in here, surprisingly. If you want me to do a what fits inside of my bag video on this little cutie, I can do so, and I can compare this bag to the Nano Speedy because I do own the Nano Speedy as well. I just think this is such a cute bag. Of course, I will save this bag when I have my little girl, or whenever I have children, or like nieces. I can pass this down to them. A lot of my bags I'll be passing down to whoever is going to inherit them, but this is really nice. But I really love this cutie. Let me just show you some close-ups. So this is the front of the bag right here. This is the side, and here's the back, and then here's the bottom of the bag, and then here you can just like look at the vachetta handles, and you can just see how they have gotten this nice rich patina to them. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but how it has this nice rich patina to them. And again, this is the HL Speedy from 1993. The canvas is really nice and sturdy. I love how this mini Speedy still has that slouchiness, like how all the other Speedies have. And she's just very adorable. I don't think I'm gonna go send this cutie off to get repaired because I like her just the way that she is, and it's just more character in how it looks. And if I go and repair this bag, I feel like the character and the history is just no longer there, and it's just so beautiful. I love it so much. And yeah, I just think this is so beautiful. So that concludes today's video. Like I said, if you want to see what fits inside of my bag, just let me know and I will film that for you. Also, I can compare my Nano Speedy to this bag. I also wanted to let you know that I pretty much have every single size Speedy besides the 35 and 20. So that's a fun fact. So if you want to see my Speedy collection, I can also film an updated Speedy collection as well. So if you like today's video, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And until next time, my loves, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Mwah.